interaction due to the fact that a user may discover some new commands or sequences of commands, or even a new site at the web and then shows it to the other people around. We find these social interactions extremely poor. Compared with a child playing ball with their playmates, or a family activity such as a conversation during a meal, one should ask which one is a happier and more natural and more insensitive interactive setting, which one makes improve social relations. Note that their computer settings will only occur when occurred equally in professional life. On the other hand, normal social interaction without an insensitive machine will be standard setting for the adult life. What do we wish to teach our children? Being led to social interaction by a machine or through one's own interest or pleasure in social life. What do we wish to teach our children? Being led to social interactions by a machine or through one's inner interest and pleasure in social life.
We don't need to because I think that parents should teach their children by using books.
18. We have already commented on this pattern. We recall that this attraction is a fate provided by the cosmetics and video game effect of computers. Computers in fact challenge traditional education methods and values. We fully agree that paper art that they are not adequate, but our diagnostics differ somewhat.
Okay, congratulations to everyone. You have done your part and you have performed well this afternoon. Now let us listen to one of our judges, none other than our assistant to the principal, Mrs. Alicia B. Mato, for her comment.
Good morning, moderator. In the person of Mrs. Bigan, Ila, pupils, children, your debate is so terrible. Why? You are now discussing about the use of the computer, and your title of your debate is "Computer is a bad influence to elementary school pupils." And there is a negative side and affirmative side. Nowadays, I will tell you, computer is very usable for our new generations. But negative side and affirmative side, there is no whatsoever reasons. No, your reasons is valid. Each of you, group of affirmative and group of negative side. The computer nowadays is very usable because of our changing world of today. So you children are fond of using computer. It depends on ourselves how to use computer. So computer is also useless. In the other side, computer is also bad. Now, but the reason is computer is good in a way to develop your skills, to scan your world of dictionary, vocabulary. But in the negative side also, I know the reason is also acceptable. So both are acceptable reasons in the sense that we are now living in the new world. It depends on us how to use the computer. Not to focus the computer also. In using the computer is also a very good activity, especially in science activities, but not too long. Not to focus much on the use of the computer. And then, bad side or negative side, congratulations, but because you have done all your best. Okay, thank you.
Okay, that is all for this afternoon. Congratulations to all of you and goodbye.